The Patek Nautilus range was implemented into the watch brand's catalogue in 1976 and since then has become one of the most iconic watch ranges. Some of the most sought after watches in the horological world can be found in the Nautilus collection, like the 37001A, which kickstarted this magnificent range of watches, the 57111A, which is arguably one of the most sought after models, and the 57111A018, also known as the Patek Tiffany Blue, which is an incredibly rare and in-demand watch. Here at Time4Diamonds, we have managed to get our hands on another extremely prestige watch in the Patek Nautilus collection, this one being the reference 59801R-001. So, let's get into the details of this magnificent watch. As mentioned, this Patek model is one of the most prestigious, if not the most prestigious. And unfortunately, after only 10 years in production, Patek have decided to discontinue the piece this year. This stunning piece is polished in rose gold with an integrated bracelet and wearable 40.5mm case size. The gradient black dial, appearing more as a smoky brown colour, I believe complements the rose gold beautifully. This is the Nautilus Chrono, short for chronograph, and the feature can be noticed through the sub-dial at 6 o'clock. A sophisticated movement from Patek, this watch boasts a flyback chronograph function that can be deployed using the pushers on the side of the case. There is a date display at 3 o'clock that can be changed by using the pusher adjusters, also located on the side of the case. The sapphire crystal caseback showcases the fine craftsmanship and finishing of the movement. One of Gerald Genter's fine designs, the Nautilus bracelet is arguably one of the nicest watch bracelets in the horology world today. This model I have in front of me is the more recent 2021 model, so it has the newer clasp fitted onto the bracelet with the butterfly style, this being introduced in the same year. Originally, this upgrade wasn't received well within the watch world, but it seems as though it's grown on watch enthusiasts and collectors over time, given the comfort and ease of using the clasp. Many celebrities and sports personalities have been seen wearing this watch, with the likes of Conor McGregor, Lionel Messi, Mark Wahlberg and Sylvester Stallone, demonstrating its status in the horological world. Being a highly sought after watch, this piece has always had a premium price on the grey market, and due to its recent discontinuation, its value has increased even more, with an average price of around $220,000 today, which is positive news if you have this watch in your current collection. We can only anticipate that this watch will increase over time, so expect this watch to become even more in demand than it is already. That is all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and I also hope you have been enjoying the content we are producing lately. If you are new around here, why not check out some of our other videos? To everyone watching, your support is massively appreciated, so subscribing to the channel and liking this video would be amazing. Why not turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on our videos? So stay tuned for the next one, and I shall see you then. Thanks for watching.